I hurt my back pretty badly a couple years ago and was talking to a friend of mine. I don't have a traction machine at home. So a friend of mine was like, well, just go hang upside down by the monkey bars. Brilliant idea in theory, but she weighs probably 75 pounds less than I do. I didn't kind of put that together, and I hadn't been on the monkey bars since I was probably 8. So the first time I did okay, the second time I did not do okay. I got off, and I dismounted wrong. At least I didn't break my neck, so that's good news. And a couple days later, whoop, Mary, I don't know if you remember, you thought I had a knee brace on under my pants, and it was just the swelling in my knee. And what I found out in researching that, because I'm starting to get a little paranoid, I'm like, okay, this isn't getting better, it's not doing better. You get on Dr. Google, he has a lot of information. You have to kind of cross-reference and do a lot of that. But I found out that a medial meniscus tear, medial meniscus is this one that gives you stability from the inside of the knee. When that gets irritated, that is connected to the medial meniscus. So it can mimic that same pain. So I was like, well, I could have read that in a book, but at least I learned something, and my knee's way better, yay. But it still kind of swells up and goes away and swells up and goes away. So we're living creatures, and we're gonna have good days and bad days. We're gonna have swelling and not swelling. So my point of that is stay hopeful and don't hang upside down from the monkey bars.